To check the flow of surface water in the stream channels during monsoon, Nalabunds are constructed. Nalabunds are constructed in areas having gentle slope. Utility of Nalabunds is to arrest surface runoff and to control soil erosion. In Maharashtra, such dry stone check dams are commonly called Nalabunds. Construction of Nalabunds. While preparing the treatment map for plantations, the range forest officer and the round officer should do a reconnaissance survey and identify the nalas at the site. All the nalas should be numbered as Nala 1, Nala 2, so on and so forth. Then, the number and the size of bunds to be constructed on each nala should be estimated. The bunds should be numbered from top of the stream to bottom as Nala 1, Bund 1, Nala 1, Bund 2, Nala 1, Bund 3, Nala 1, Bund 4. Similarly, on second stream as Nala 2, Bund 1, Nala 2, Bund 2, Nala 2, Bund 3, so on and so forth. To decide upon the exact spot for Nalabund, inspection should begin from top of the stream. A slightly suppressed portion on the nala is identified for the first bund.
To build dry stone bunds, we first scout the stream channels. Here we are at the top of the stream at the spot of the first bund. We have estimated the height of this bund to be 60 centimeters. With the help of a water level, we shall now ascertain the position of the subsequent bunds.
Here, the height of the first bund is determined as 60 centimeters considering the height of the bank. The bund should be aligned perpendicular to the nala. Accordingly, the width should be determined.
Mark the spot with lime.
The position should be marked with lime. Details of the bund according to the nala should be noted in the register.
Now we will ensure that the top of the second bund is at the same level as the base of the first one. We will do this with the help of a water level.
Now, the position of the second bund is again to be determined on the nala. The height of the bund below should be such that its top level is at the same level as the base of the bund above. The submerged area should remain in nala bed itself. If possible, the location of the bund should be at a suppressed point on the nala. Here, with the help of a water level, the height of the second bund is determined such that it is at the same level as the base of the first bund. Again, the width is determined as per the distance between the nala banks. And the nala is marked. This process is continued till the end of the nala. Similarly, bunds on all nalas should be aligned and marked. A grid-wise list of all bunds should be prepared, wherein bund number, its width and height should be noted for calculating volume of the bund.
Grid number 25 nala number 10 मध्ये 5 band
In grid number 25 over stream channel number 10 we have 5 bunds. We have finalized and marked the position of all bunds. We need to construct them now.
5 band बांधणार आहोत.
Once the spot for nala bunds are decided, actual construction may commence. First of all, with the help of a string, the bund is aligned at the site.
माझ्या उजव्या बाजूने एक मुख्य नाला वाहतो आहे.
In this stream, water flows from my right to left. From behind, a small stream joins this main stream channel. At this junction, we shall construct a dry stone bund. The total length of this bund is estimated to be 6 meters, height 60 centimeter and top width 50 centimeter. We shall make a slope with height to base ratio 1:1 on the upstream and 1:2 on the downstream side of the bund. This stick in my hand measures 1.2 meter, that is twice of 60 centimeter, the height of the bund. Before we begin, we are going to dig 30 centimeter deep foundation for the bund. For the slopes too, we are going to dig adequate foundation so that the stones are properly affixed.
हा नाला व्यवस्थित आतमध्ये बसेल या प्रमाणामध्ये आपण त्याचे किनारे पण खोदून घेणार आहोत आणि असा हा बांध आपण बांधून पूर्ण करणार आहोत.
Here you can see the top width of the bund to be constructed is 50 centimeters, the length is 6 meters and the height is 60 centimeters. At the upside of the stream, the bund slope should form a triangle with the height to base ratio as 1:1. On the downstream side, The bund slope should form a triangle where the height to base ratio is 1:2.
या ठिकाणी आपण
Here we
बांधाचा
are
पाया
marking the
करण्यासाठी
base of the stream where we
त्या
shall dig
लाईनवरती
for
पुढे marking
foundation.
करून घेत आहोत.
Once alignment is done, the 30 cm foundation is dug. On both sides of the nala, 1 foot deep foundation should be dug. Big sized stones should be fixed tightly into the foundation dug on both sides of the nala. Big stones must be fastened tightly with small stone chips. Then, with the help of stones, a central box-shaped core is built.
कसं हां बस कदा आहे
Now for the slope on both sides again, foundation should be dug.
या ठिकाणी बांधाच्या उंचीच्या बरोबरचं बांधकाम कोरड्या दगडात बांधकाम पूर्ण झालेलं
We
आहे.
have completed the construction of the central box-like structure of the bund. Now we will construct the slopes on either sides. For the slopes too, we must dig
खोदकाम
foundation.
आता सध्या चालू आहे.
The slopes are then built with stones. It is important that small stone chips are filled in all the gaps to strengthen the bund. The slope gives the bund stability against the water pressure. Now this bund is ready.
आपण जो बांध बांधाय घेतला होता त्या बांधाचं बांधकाम पूर्ण झालेलं आहे.
The construction of the bund is complete. Now we will measure it. First of all, we'll measure its length. It is 6 meters.
6 मीटर.
Once the construction of bunds is complete, it should be measured at 5 spots.
आपण या बांधाचं 5
We will measure the bund at 5 spots. The first measurement will take 30 centimeters from the edge. We will measure the top width, bottom width, height at the upstream side and the height at the downstream side of the bund. Height on the upstream side measures 27 centimeter and the height on the downstream side is 24 centimeter. Now let's measure the top width. It is 60 centimeter. To measure the bottom width, place 2 sticks on either sides like this and hold the measuring tape in between. Keep it straight and tight.
बोला
The bottom width is 118 centimeter.
118 सेंटीमीटर तळातली रुंदी.
Now let us measure the second spot.
2 नंबरचा या ठिकाणी
Here first measure the top width. Here also the top width is 60 centimeter. Now measure the bottom width. Hold the stick straight.
150 सेंटीमीटर.
The bottom width at the second spot is 150 centimeter. Now let's measure the height on the upstream side.
48 सेंटीमीटर.
It is 48 centimeter. Now let's measure the height at the downstream side.
50 सेंटीमीटर.
50 centimeter.
तिसऱ्या ठिकाणी माप घेऊया.
Let's go for the third spot.
At all 5 spots, the measurements of the top width, bottom width, height on the upstream side and the height on the downstream side must be noted in the measurement book to get average length, breadth and height for calculation of volume.
अशा रीतीनं आपण या बांधाचं मोजमाप पूर्ण केलेलं आहे.
Thus we have finished noting the measurements of this bund. All spots where measurements were taken must be marked with line.
त्या ठिकाणी चुन्याचे 5 पट्टी देऊयात. पहिला पट्टा या ठिकाणी मारा.
The places where measurements were taken are marked with lime.
रुंद कर पट्टा.
The nala number and the bund number is also written on a stone. Here we can see a series of bunds over the nala. They have been measured and marked. Measurements of all bunds and their volume must be noted grid-wise in the measurement book by the round officer. Range Forest Officer too must ensure that all measurements are noted in the measurement book. He should inspect 100% of the work done to check the volume of work and must sign the measurement book with date. Assistant Conservator of Forest must inspect 20% of the work and accordingly sign the measurement book with date. Only when properly constructed, bunds can withstand the force of flowing water. Else, the bunds break, thus all effort and money is wasted. We can see here how the bund has broken down. It is important to repair all broken bunds. A broken bund should be repaired by systematically arranging stones once again. Provision for all expenses for repairing Nalabunds must be made. Range Forest Officer must inspect the broken bunds and prepare estimate of cost for all repairs for all broken bunds, and accordingly funds must be sought. Assistant Conservator of Forests must inspect in the field to verify requisition and then sanction funds. After completion of all repairs, details must be noted in the measurement book.